Okay, I'm here in the subway. I just met Denise. On the train because Dale was lamenting about being in a what did he say?
Being a native New Yorker now.
So you know, she's coming to the show tomorrow night.
Yes.
And with her girlfriends because she's single. So she said she just might meet someone.
You never know.
You're girl, look.
I'm ready.
You gotta look nice in your daily activities.
Yes, of course.
I got a standing ovation last night.
Oh, wonderful.
And the editor-in-chief of Essence, remember Susan Taylor?
Yeah, Susan Taylor.
She came last night.
Wow.
So it was really good. Yeah, they liked it.
Oh, that's so nice.
So I'm really excited.
Wow.
Yeah.
So I should,
Okay, so wait, let me write this down anyway.
I need to meet someone.
So I want you to say that again. You said you need to meet someone?
I need to meet someone.
I want you to act as though you met someone and say to the camera, I met someone.
Everybody, you would believe I met someone at the play last night. The play was fabulous. It was good. Me and this guy made eye contact and we went in from there. We just had conversation, nice conversation. You know, it was good. It was great. I loved it.